Everyone, now we are going to work with the images. So I have brought a few images from the website Unsplash, and I'm gonna save as us as colors here, so as styles here. So what I'm gonna do is just select the picture, and I have renamed them just so I can just quickly add them. I'm gonna go in style tabs. Notice that I am working in style tabs, so I'm writing images slash, and these are donuts, and hit. So I have saved few of them, and you will see how this is going in a separate section. Burger is saved, these three are also saved. Now I'm gonna go save all these three. Add style images and burger 3. I should have wrote, okay, saving the fourth sandwich. Fifth sandwich. So as simple it is that I have saved all of these images. See you in the next video.